Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App for debit card management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your smartphone or tablet and find the Cash App icon. Tap on the Cash App icon to launch the application. Wait for the app to load to the main screen. If you have already created an account, enter your registered phone number or email address. Tap the login button after entering your details. You may receive a confirmation code via text or email. Check your messages for the code sent by Cash App. Enter the confirmation code in the app where prompted. Once the code is accepted, you will be taken to your Cash App home screen. Locate the card icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the card icon to manage your debit card settings. Here, you can activate your card if you haven't done so yet. You can also view your card details and spending limits. To link a bank account, tap on Linked Accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your bank details. Once linked, you can easily manage transfers and funding. If you need to change your PIN, tap on Privacy and Security. Follow the instructions to set a new PIN as needed. Lastly, to log out, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap Sign Out to securely log out of your account. This completes your Cash App login and debit card management setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.